Apple launches their very own arcade right alongside the iOS 13 update, and we cover the details in this week's Split Second Tech. Before we get too deep into the details of this video, if you are new here, first off, welcome to the channel. I am Aaron from HelpCloud, and we are your go-to tech resolution hub. On this channel, we focus on videos such as tech news like the one you're watching today, as well as tutorials and unboxings, so if that piques any of your interest, consider subscribing. Apple Arcade is a mobile game subscription that can be used across an array of different Apple devices that offers over 100 different game titles, and there are no ads or any type of additional purchases. Apple launched the arcade on September 19th of 2019, right in tandem with the iOS 13 update, and it is currently only available on iOS or iPad devices that are running the iOS 13 update, so you will need to have that. However, it is soon coming to any type of Mac OS as well as Apple TV. To get started with your free trial, find and open up the App Store on your iOS device, head on down and tap on Arcade. From here, you will want to be logged in if you're not already to an Apple ID account, but from here, you can tap on Try It for free, and this will open up the wizard to start that 30-day free trial sign up process, after which the trial does end. It will run you $4.99 per month. You can share your subscription with up to 5 family members, choosing when to share your personal data and set up screen time and parental controls. All types of devices are supported for Arcade, from iOS all the way over to Apple TV devices. You can start one game on one device and pick it up on another, as well as either download the game for offline play or choose to go online. Apple Arcade is perfect for something to pass your time along, such as sitting at an airport with those long, drawn-out layovers. At the very least, it is worth signing up for the 30-day free trial. And that wraps up today's video, bringing us into our question of the day. If you've had a chance to use the Apple Arcade, how do you like it? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this topic and found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out some of the other videos that we do on this channel. We do a ton of stuff tech related. Here are a couple examples for you. Subscribe if you're not already, and enable the bell notifications so you guys don't miss out on any type of feature content, and we will see you on the next one.